Welcome back to Whitetail Garage. Let's install some piston rings. This is the stock block. I've just had it ball honed, and then these are the stock pistons that came right out of it. I haven't done anything with it. I'm going with just a standard ring set from Silt Power, so it won't be a foul to fit. You'll see with any rings, they're going to come either bagged or separated, where they've got the second groove, oil groove, and first groove or top groove. And then on the piston, you've got top groove, second groove, and the oil groove. Some rings will be marked. I doubt you can see it, but there's a little dimple right there. But if they're marked, that means that that side goes up on the piston towards the top of the piston. There you go, those are finished up. Unless it's a foul to fit ring, it's just as easy as following the instructions. Not a big deal there. You definitely want to check the ring gap on any rings, even if you're buying the OE replacements. just to make sure that they're not that you didn't get sent the wrong parts or anything like that. So definitely check that. And next, these will get thrown in the motor. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.